Hey, Nicola Capo here with Penguin Magic, and today, let's crack a pack of the brand new Pegasus playing cards. One of the most recognized mythological creatures of all time, Pegasus playing cards are an amazing representation of this classic Greek myth. Designed by Drew Hughes, the Pegasus deck has 100% custom artwork. The custom tuck box is printed both outside and inside and has an embossed white foil logo on the front. It is topped off with a custom sticker seal depicting the head of Medusa. The cards are printed on Penguin Magic's Ultra Luxe, a casino-grade European cardstock that has been crushed to the perfect thickness with just the right amount of linen texture. The cards are traditionally cut with smooth edges that provide the perfect amount of grip, but still soft enough to get to work straight out of the box. The back design features the Pegasus among the clouds in a finely detailed illustration. The diptych jokers combine together to create one singular image of the Chimera. Also included in the deck is a custom double back card and a blank face card for magic tricks. Each ace has a large expanded suit in its center with custom artwork inside of it. The index's font is slightly larger than the standard size, and the suit pips are custom but still highly playable. The face cards feature custom illustrations. The jacks represent Bellerophon, Pegasus's rider, with Poseidon on the kings and Athena on the queens. Even with all this new custom artwork, the deck is still highly playable, even on Mount Olympus. The cards are printed using vegetable-based inks and Penguin Magic's Aquaflow technology. This exciting new water-based coating will not only ensure your deck shuffles, fans, and spreads perfectly, it's also durable enough to meet the needs of a full-time magician, cardist, or card sharp. The Pegasus playing cards are a limited print run of only 2,500 decks of cards, and they're available singly or in custom 6-pack boxes at penguinmagic.com. Free shipping worldwide. So, if you want to crack your own pack of the Pegasus playing cards, head on over to penguinmagic.com and check them out.